This is probably one of my most highly requested videos lately. I heard y'all and I'm listening. We are gonna do this very quick, simple, everyday makeup look. Now, when I say quick, I mean like 10 to 15 minutes. It takes me about 10 to 15 minutes to do this look. If you're a beginner or you're someone who doesn't really apply this much makeup every day, it might take you a little bit longer, but it's okay. You're gonna make it your own. You don't have to do exactly what I did. Feel free to play around with it. This is just like a base to get you started. You don't have to use as much as I did. You can use more than I did. Like I said, this is just to get you started. So this is my simple everyday makeup routine. I'm actually getting ready to go to work, and I wanted to show you guys how I like to do my makeup every day to appear more polished and put together. So I hope you guys enjoy, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Starting off with the most important step, skincare. I'm gonna use this multi-antioxidant radiance serum by The Ordinary. I have a little friend peeking through over here, so I went ahead and used this Kiehl's acne solution. It's the Truly Targeted Acne Clearing Solution. I had that on for about 30 minutes. I always use that whenever I get any sort of blemish because it clears it right up. And for eye cream, I'm just using this one by Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. There are instant brightening agents in this one, and it is super hydrating. For moisturizer, I'm using my Holy Grail moisturizer by Miss. It's the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. And then final step in my skincare routine, I'm just using this SPF by Miss. Last night I applied retinol, so I'm gonna go kind of heavy with the sunscreen. And then I just like to really pat it in to ensure that it really absorbs. And then I'm just gonna put something on my lips because they are very dry. Now that my skin is nice and hydrated, I can get started with my makeup. Using this Touche Eclat. It's like a concealer pin. It is by YSL. And I'm using the shade, I don't even know what shade. I'll put the shade in the description box. Like, press the bottom to get the product out. And I'm gonna go under my eyes with this. It's very lightweight and radiant, so it's perfect for every day when you don't want like a full beat or anything heavy on your face. And then I'm just gonna let that sit for a second while I fill in my eyebrows. For brows, I am using the Wet n Wild Micro Brow Pencil. I'm using the shade Deep Brown. This has been my favorite brow pencil for a while now. I used to use it years ago and then I stopped and recently started back, and it's only like $3 for this brow pencil. Whenever I go and get them, I always get a ton. I always struggle with doing my brows because my brows are definitely not siblings, they are cousins. For my brow gel, I'm gonna use the Sephora Collection Brow Gel, this clear one. This is such a good product. I alternate between this one and the Refi, but I do take the Refi brush and just like shape them. I'm gonna blend the concealer. Y'all see how that just blended into my skin? But another reason why it's really important to apply eye cream before you apply concealer and like under eye powder, the powder is drying and you want to prevent the creasing as much as possible. So make sure that you apply eye cream before you apply anything under your eye. It just helps to hydrate the under eye area and prevent creasing and minimize creasing, I guess I should say. To bronze, I'm using the YSL bronzer. I've clearly hit pan on this. It's that good. I'm just using an angular brush. I like to go in with bronzer, okay? I like to look like I am fresh off the islands with my bronzer. So I go into the hairline, all of that. This bronzer is the perfect bronzer shade for me, and I'm using the shade 5. And just bring it down a little bit. I'm gonna take a little bit on the side of my nose. This has been my favorite blush lately. I've used it in several videos and TikToks. It's the Flower Beauty. It's Drew Barrymore's makeup line, and it is in the shade Poppy. And I just blend that into the concealer and right above where I applied the bronzer. This has been my favorite blush placement because it just really like lifts the face. And like I said, I just bring it under my eyes. Like that. I'm going to set under my eyes and everywhere I applied the concealer using the Cherry Blossom Cake Powder by Huda. And I just like to rub it in like this on the back of my hand and then go under my eyes. And on top of where I applied the blush. Other side. Just to add a little bit of something to my eyes, I just go back into my bronzer, take a blending brush, and bring that into my crease. And this is the time to sort of like contour your nose if you want. Just bring it into the head of the brow, and like blend it into my crease. Now this next step is optional. You don't have to do this. I just like the way that this looks on me. I'm gonna go in with a black kohl liner, if it'll focus. There we go. By Valentino. And I'm just gonna take that on the outer part of my eye. I'm also wearing like cluster lashes on the end, so I'm gonna be careful not to knock them off. And then I take the other end of the brush, or on the other end of the pencil, it has a brush, and I'm just gonna sort of bring that out into a slight wing. To set my blush, I like to go in with a big fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go into Worth by Rare Beauty. It's their new blushes. These are the matte bouncy blush collection that they dropped, and I'm just gonna sort of like go on top of where I applied the blush. What is on my lash? To set my face and sort of like mesh everything together, I'm gonna go into the Sephora powder. It's the Micro Smooth powder in the shade Almond. The shade has been discontinued, so if you were once the shade Almond, can you please comment what your new shade is, because I love this powder. I am so sad that it is no longer available in this color. Apply a little bit of mascara on my upper lashes and maybe a little bit on the bottom. And this is the Armani mascara in the shade 1. I'm just gonna apply it in the front since I have the lashes on the back. And let's just do a little bit here. This spray right here, your makeup is going to last the test of time. I'm not even kidding. It's the Fenty You Mist spray. I just shake it up a little bit and While that dries, I'm gonna do my lips. To line my lips, I'm just using Chestnut, good old Chestnut liner by MAC. For gloss, I'm gonna go in with this one by Rhode. It's the Peptide Lip Tint in the shade Espresso. If it'll, there we go. Really pretty, it's like glittery. Put my rings on. I've really been loving this like 3 ring deal I have going on here. I put one here, and then I put a little like thin one on my pinky. I've really been liking it the way it looks. But that is it for my everyday makeup look. It's very simple and beginner friendly, but make sure that you practice and do what you like. You don't have to go as hard as I did or as soft as I did. You can do what you want. Just play around with it. Make it your own. Everyone's face is different, and that is what makes us all so beautiful and unique. So you don't have to do the blush placement like me. If you have like more blemishes or you like to use more coverage under your eyes, please feel free to go for it. This is just the makeup look that I like to do to look put together and, you know, more polished. So if you like videos like this, feel free to leave a comment down below. Also like this video, it lets me know that you guys do enjoy this type of content. I will have everything that I used linked down below, so be sure to check out the description box. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in the next one.